The topics. If you want to do well, study well, and pass your civic education in your WAEC 2025, here are the topics that you must focus on this night, this day, as you await and prepare for your civic education in 2025 WAEC exam. I will just give you a rundown of all the topics, about 18 of them, that you should pay attention to if you want to score A1 in civic education in your WAEC exams. Let me give you a rundown, then I will now begin to give you a breakdown of each of the topics. The first topic for you to study is government. Go to your civic education textbook and study everything on the topic government. Then study on meaning of citizenship. Meaning of citizenship. Meaning of citizenship. Study it. Then study citizenship and nationalism. What did I say? Citizenship and nationalism. Okay? These are very important. Study meaning of rule of law. Meaning of rule of law. Meaning of rule of law. Study civil society and popular participation. Civil society and popular participation. Study civil society and popular participation. Study cultism. Cultism. These are topics that will come out. Write them down. In fact, watch this video twice. And let me tell you, I am giving you this video. I'm doing this video because I believe this year's WAEC, even if others don't pass, that all of you following our YouTube channel and mobile tutorials, you will pass. Civic education is one subject that is possible for you to get distinction. And I want you to claim it in the comment section that you must get A1 distinction in your civic education. If you believe it, come under the comment and drop "I claim it," that you will get distinction in your civic education. And I'm giving you this video to prepare you. Then study drug and drug abuse. Drug and drug abuse. Study duties and obligations of citizens. Duties and obligations of citizens. Pay attention. I hope you are noting this. By the way, when you finish watching now, also watch this video again so that you can note these things. Then study human rights. Human rights. Human rights. Human rights. Then study interpersonal relationships. These are topics. As a person that have been doing civic education, you should know that these topics will come out. Then study law and order. Law and order. Law and order. Law and order. This is a topic in your civic education textbook. Just get it and read it up. I'm giving you topics, official topics from WAEC 2025 syllabus. The next topic is nationalistic roles of individuals and groups. Nationalistic roles of individuals and groups. Then study the topic HIV/AIDS. HIV/AIDS. Study these things, okay? Then study human trafficking. Human trafficking. Human trafficking. It will come out. That is why I'm mentioning it. Study political apathy, both definition of political apathy and all the rest. Political apathy. If you want me to do a video like this on any other subject you are writing in WAEC, just come under the comment of the video and tell me, sir, please do a video on this particular subject so I can do it for you. Public service in democracy. Public service in democracy is another very, very important topic. Another one is responsible parenthood. This one is always coming out both in WAEC, NECO, and JAMB. Responsible parenthood. The next one is traffic regulations. What did I say? Traffic regulations. Traffic regulations. I will take it, even if you are not getting it, I will repeat it. Then youth empowerment. Youth empowerment. Youth empowerment. Then meaning of constituted authority. Meaning of constituted authority. Meaning of constituted authority. Okay? Representative democracy is another one. representative democracy. Representative democracy. Okay, another topic. Then values. Values is the last one. Let me give it to you again, so that you will not have any excuse. Okay, the first topic is government. 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 The next one is meaning of citizenship. Please note these things. Meaning of citizenship. The next one is citizenship and nationalism. Citizenship and nationalism. The next one is meaning of rule of law. Meaning of rule of law. Meaning of rule of law. The next one is civil society and popular participation. Civil society and popular participation. The next one is cultism. Cultism. I want to believe that you are noting this thing. Cultism. The next one is drugs and drug abuse. Drugs and drug abuse. Drugs and drug abuse. Okay. The next one is duties and obligations of citizens. Read in your civic education textbooks, you will find these topics. So go and read, even if you have read them before, just focus more attention on them today, this night. Just pay serious attention on them. Human rights. Human rights. Human rights. Of course, universal human rights and all the rest. Read it up, not just the definition, everything in the textbook about this particular topic. Then read interpersonal relationship. Interpersonal relationship. Interpersonal relationship. Read it up. Interpersonal relationship. Go and read it up. Go and read interpersonal relationship. Remember that our target for you in civic education is distinction. So I want you to claim it in the comment section that you will pass in flying colors. By the way, if there is any challenge you have been having in your WAEC exam, just join our YouTube channel so that you can talk to me directly and share your comments, your issues, so that we can begin to guide you. Then law and order. Law and order. Law and order. The next one is nationalistic roles of individuals and groups. Nationalistic roles of individuals and groups. Then the next one is HIV and AIDS. Of course, causes of HIV, preventive measures and all the rest, symptoms and all the rest. Okay, if you have human trafficking, then political apathy, causes of political apathy, definition of political apathy and all the rest. Then study public service in democracy. Public service in democracy. Then study, these are topics, responsible parenthood. Then study traffic regulations. Then study youth empowerment. Study meaning of considered authority. And study representative democracy. Study values. These are, I've given you about 18 topics to focus on. Even if you are not able to read up all of them, at least pick 6 or about half of it and read up everything. Prepare yourself, go back, revise and all the rest. In the next video we will continue. Tell me the subject you want me to still do another video on, and it will be given to you immediately. I'm giving you a very important topic as video in the screen. Click on it and watch now.